why technologists, developers, techies, and all of the above need to network. The stereotype of the developer sitting in a dark room, coding away into the night, not talking to anyone, not wanting to be disturbed, is not an untrue stereotype. It definitely exists, but I would say the scope for them to climb in the corporate world, to be successful in their jobs, is becoming narrower and narrower. More and more people are getting into technology. People know how well you can get paid in technology. There's a lot more people being pushed into it by their parents than there was 15, 20 years ago. And with that, you're getting less of perhaps the techie Puritans, the people who just do it for the sheer joy of doing it, the people who would do it even if they weren't getting paid. And you're getting more of the people who are just career ambitious, which nothing wrong with that. I probably fall more into that group than the hardcore techie. But those people are the ones that seem to do better as the years go on. They are the ones who get the leadership positions, they are the ones who get promoted, and they're often the ones as well who end up contracting, which is, I've other videos about this, but if you want to make money as a developer, go contracting. If you want to make money in general as a techie, whether you're a project manager, whatever it is, go contracting. But the time where you just got recognised off your ability, where your code spoke for itself, I think that is gone. And it's gone at all levels, also at entry level. You, as an entry level person, although it's pretty easy to pick up a tech job, you want a fun tech job. You want a tech job that's building something that you're semi-interested in. You want a tech job with people that are interested in, and you also want to get better paid perhaps than maybe you deserve. And that doesn't happen by applying blankly to job posts that are advertised. It doesn't happen by going through recruiters either. Recruiters are great if you know how to use them, but I would say 50% of what you see put out by recruiters is just spam. It's them capturing email addresses, building up a network. It's another agenda to what is being presented to you. Again, I'm not putting down recruiters. If you know how to use them, they're fantastic. I've had great experiences with them. But until you're in the industry a while, your perception of how to judge something won't be as sharp as mine is, perhaps. But how do you apply this then, whether it's as an entry level or slightly more senior? Well, you need to be going to events. You need to be doing things that get noticed. You need to be publishing something, even a little bit of work. If you add a new repository on GitHub, if you complete some tutorial, you need to be putting it out there and getting it seen by people. It's not good enough to just know something. People have to know you know something. And I think it's the biggest problem where this exists is in the tech world with people who have the most ability. Technology is something that, by and large, much like the nature of the work being binary, people's ability to do it is binary. You either have it or you don't. You can learn it, but the people who are most creative, the people who come up with the really incredible solutions, there's something innate in those people when it comes to this subject. And unfortunately, like I said, the time I think has passed where you can get along just on your ability. You need to network, you need to get seen in the industry, you need to be at events, you need to be speaking at events, and probably a lot more. Subscribe, go to techherds.com.